Welcome back. Problem number 57. We have an electron with a speed of 5 multiplied by 10 power of 6 meter per second through a point in space, and we have a magnetic field of 0.1 Tesla, and the force of the electron at this point, there is a force that is going to two direction, and that's in Newton. So now we have to find what is the electric field. First, the answer that they gave us: force 9.6 multiplied by 10 minus 14, and 9.6 multiplied by 10 minus 14k. So when you see this kind of number here, the electric field is gonna be in two directions. So we need to find what is the electric field in this one and in the K. So first, if it's going the same way, usually the magnetic field is perpendicular to electric field, but if the answer is going through the speed on the same direction, so we need to find what is the electric field on the A direction. Well, let's put it this way. First, I'm gonna use this formula, that is force equal electric field for the E, because it's in the same direction. And then for the other direction, it's gonna be the force multiplied by charge multiplied by whatever is inside this. We're gonna use this formula. To find it, what is the electric field in the K direction. Okay, so first step, that's the force multiplied by it's equal to charge multiplied by the electric field. So what is on the E? That's 9.6 multiplied by 10 minus 14 Newton on the E direction is equal to 1.6 multiplied by 10, and that's the charge of an electron, minus 19 . So the electric field will be 6 multiplied by 10 power 5 Newton per Coulomb. That's the first answer if it's in the X direction. Then for the second electric field of the answer, and that's minus 9.6 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 minus 14. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna write down the formula. Delete. So the formula again used for the second part is force is equal to charge electric field multiplied by the speed. No. Delete. Is plus the speed multiplied by the electric field. So now, to simplify, we know that force divided by the charge is going to be equal to electric field plus speed multiplied by the magnetic field. So we're gonna switch this part here to this side. So it's gonna be the force divided by the charge minus the speed multiplied by the magnetic field is gonna be equal to electric field. So the electric field is gonna be equal to the force. That's minus 9.6 multiplied by 10 minus 14 divided by 1.6 multiplied by 10 minus 19 minus 5 multiplied by 10 power 6 multiplied by 0.1. And the electric field will be equal to 1.5, so it's going to be equal to 1 multiplied by 10 power of minus 5 Newton per Coulomb. And that's in the K direction.